So our gluten-friendly bread has come out of the proofer and you can see that it's risen quite a bit, but it did take quite a long time. So be patient. You want it to sort of come up right to the top of the pan and fill the space so that when it proofs and bakes, it'll get a little bit bigger and a little bit lighter. If you don't let it do this, it's going to be really dense and heavy. So now I'm going to pop this in the oven at 375, and your recipe says 50 to 60 minutes, but that's if a loaf is a little bit bigger than this one. So I'm going to start checking it after about 30 minutes to see if it's done. Here we have our gluten-free or gluten-friendly flax bread. It's come out of the oven. You can see that it's changed color. It's nice and golden. And then when I take it out of the pan, you can see that it's nice and brown on the bottom as well. So that's how I know it's baked. It's not going to sound quite as hollow as the challah because it doesn't proof quite the same. But you can see that it's nice and golden and it's nice and smooth. And it makes a really great bread. The kicker with gluten-free breads is that you have to freeze them. Their shelf life is really, really short. So once this is cooled completely, I would store it in the freezer. And then this could become gluten-friendly bread for a guest that can't eat regular bread. Maybe it's a canapé, maybe it's an appetizer, maybe you make a sandwich with it. There's lots of options with this bread. So make sure it gets stored in the freezer, but make sure you try it right now so you know how it tastes.